vast landscape of social dynamics, Sigma males stand apart as individuals who forge their own paths, unbound by societal expectations and conventional norms. Defined by their independence, resilience, and self-assuredness, Sigma males navigate the world with a distinct sense of purpose and autonomy. However, amidst their journey of self-discovery and personal growth, Sigma males often encounter a formidable obstacle: fake friends. Fake friends are wolves cloaked in sheep's clothing, adept at masking their true intentions behind a facade of camaraderie and loyalty. To the unsuspecting eye, they may appear as allies, offering companionship and support. Yet beneath the surface lies a perilous landscape of manipulation, deceit, and betrayal. For Sigma males, who value authenticity and integrity above all else, the presence of fake friends poses a significant threat to their well-being and trajectory in life. Fake friends come in various guises, each wielding subtle tactics designed to exploit the vulnerabilities of the Sigma male. They may feign admiration for the Sigma's independence, only to subtly undermine their confidence and autonomy. Through passive-aggressive remarks or subtle acts of manipulation, these faux companions seek to exert control over the Sigma's decisions and choices, veering them off course from their true path. These so-called friends use different types of manipulative tricks such as 1. Undermining independence. The undermining of independence by fake friends poses a significant threat to a Sigma male's life and future trajectory. These individuals, adept at manipulation, subtly chip away at the Sigma male's autonomy by questioning their decisions or imposing societal expectations upon them. Over time, this insidious behavior erodes the Sigma male's sense of self-confidence and autonomy, leaving them vulnerable to self-doubt and hesitation. Instead of embracing their unique identity and forging their own path, the Sigma male may find themselves conforming to the desires and expectations of others, sacrificing their authenticity in the process. This loss of independence not only restricts the Sigma male's personal growth and fulfillment, but also limits their potential for success in various aspects of life, from relationships to career opportunities. Moreover, the erosion of independence by fake friends can create a cycle of dependency and insecurity, perpetuating a pattern of unhealthy relationships and missed opportunities for self-actualization. In essence, the undermining of independence by fake friends not only diminishes the Sigma male's sense of self-worth and autonomy, but also hampers their ability to thrive personally and professionally, casting a shadow over their future prospects and aspirations. 2. Manipulative behavior. Manipulative behavior by fake friends can have profound effects on Sigma males, as it preys upon their vulnerabilities and undermines their sense of self-confidence and autonomy. Guilt-tripping is a common tactic where fake friends use emotional manipulation to make the Sigma male feel responsible for their own happiness or success. This can manifest as subtle comments or actions designed to evoke feelings of guilt or obligation, coercing the Sigma male into compliance with their wishes or demands. Gaslighting is another insidious tactic employed by fake friends, where they distort the Sigma male's perception of reality and manipulate them into questioning their own thoughts, feelings, and experiences. By sowing seeds of doubt and confusion, gaslighting undermines the Sigma male's ability to trust their instincts and judgment, leaving them vulnerable to further manipulation. Additionally, fake friends may exploit the Sigma male's vulnerabilities, such as insecurities or fears, to exert control over them. Whether through flattery or manipulation of emotions, these individuals exploit the Sigma male's weaknesses for their own gain, further eroding their sense of self-worth and agency. Ultimately, manipulative behavior by fake friends can lead the Sigma male down a path of self-doubt and submission, hindering their ability to assert their independence and pursue their goals with confidence and conviction. 3. Stifling growth. Exploiting vulnerabilities is a particularly insidious tactic employed by fake friends to maintain control over Sigma males. These individuals prey on the Sigma male's insecurities or fears, leveraging them to manipulate their behavior and decision-making processes. For instance, if a Sigma male harbors a fear of failure or rejection, Fake friends may exploit this vulnerability by constantly highlighting potential risks or negative outcomes associated with pursuing their ambitions or taking calculated risks. By amplifying these concerns and playing on the Sigma male's anxieties, fake friends effectively sow seeds of doubt and hesitation, discouraging them from stepping outside their comfort zone and embracing opportunities for personal and professional growth. Moreover, fake friends may exploit the Sigma male's insecurities by subtly undermining their self-esteem and self-worth. They may employ backhanded compliments or subtle criticisms disguised as concern, subtly eroding the Sigma male's confidence and reinforcing feelings of inadequacy. Over time, these manipulative tactics can chip away at the Sigma male's sense of self-worth, leaving them vulnerable to further manipulation and control by their fake friends. Furthermore, fake friends may exploit the Sigma male's desire for acceptance and belonging by leveraging their insecurities to foster a sense of dependency and loyalty. By positioning themselves as confidants or allies who understand and empathize with the Sigma male's struggles, fake friends create a false sense of camaraderie and connection, thereby solidifying their influence over them. This can lead the Sigma male to prioritize the approval and validation of their fake friends over their own instincts and aspirations, effectively relinquishing their autonomy in the process. 4. Strained relationships. The strain caused by fake friends on a Sigma male's relationships with genuine allies and mentors can have far-reaching implications on their personal and professional growth. Genuine relationships are built on trust, mutual respect, and support. However, when fake friends sow seeds of doubt or foster distrust within the Sigma male, it creates barriers to forming these authentic connections. The Sigma male may find themselves hesitant to fully open up or seek guidance from others, fearing further betrayal or manipulation. This unwillingness to put your trust in others can result in lost chances for personal growth, teamwork, and mentoring. Additionally, the Sigma male may experience feelings of loneliness and isolation as a result of the strain on relationships with true allies, since they may find it difficult to find a support system that shares their goals and values. Ultimately, the inability to cultivate authentic relationships can hinder the Sigma male's ability to thrive both personally and professionally, as they lack the encouragement, guidance, and camaraderie necessary for growth and fulfillment. It's essential for Sigma males to recognize the toxic influence of fake friends and actively seek out genuine connections that foster mutual respect and support. 5. Creating negative influence. Fake friends can subtly introduce Sigma males to substance abuse through various means, exploiting vulnerabilities or peer pressure to initiate them into harmful behaviors. Initially, it might start with seemingly innocent social situations where substances like alcohol or drugs are present. Fake friends may encourage the Sigma male to partake, downplaying the risks and emphasizing the supposed benefits, such as relaxation or enhanced socializing. Over time, this casual experimentation can escalate into regular substance use as the Sigma male seeks to maintain their connection with their friends or alleviate stress. As substance abuse becomes more ingrained in the Sigma male's life, its detrimental effects begin to manifest. Physically, substance abuse can lead to health problems, impaired cognitive function, and diminished energy levels, hindering the Sigma male's ability to focus and perform optimally in various aspects of life. Mentally and emotionally, substance abuse can exacerbate feelings of anxiety, depression, and isolation, further eroding the Sigma male's sense of self-worth and exacerbating existing mental health challenges. Activities, neglecting responsibilities, or getting into legal trouble, all of which can have long-lasting repercussions on their personal and professional life. Trusting instincts serve as an invaluable compass for Sigma males in navigating the complexities of social interactions. By honing their intuition and learning to recognize red flags early on, Sigma males can preemptively identify individuals whose intentions may not align with their own. This heightened awareness allows Sigma males to exercise caution and discretion, avoiding potential pitfalls posed by fake friends masquerading as allies. Furthermore, defining boundaries and expressing personal values work as potent disincentives to exploitation and manipulative behavior. By establishing firm boundaries, Sigma males assert their autonomy and signal to others their non-negotiable standards for mutual respect and authenticity. Cultivating genuine connections reinforces this protective barrier, as Sigma males invest in relationships founded on mutual trust, understanding, and support. Sigma males establish a supportive environment that encourages development and self-actualization. By surrounding themselves with people who value their distinctive traits and recognize their accomplishments. Make sure to avoid fake friends and focus more on your own life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.